Hello traders, my name is Mirza, and today I'll be taking you folks through the basics of a bull flag pattern. So a bull flag pattern is a technical analysis pattern that resembles a flag, and it's considered a continuation pattern. So in the direction that it forms, in this case, to the upside, it is increasing in some cases the probability of potential continuation to the upside, and that's exactly why we want to pay attention to it, and we want to understand the nuances behind it. You can see this picture right here. There are two parts to it. You have the initial impulse move, the directional move, or in this case the pull, and then you have this consolidation cluster, in this case the flag. You can notice that we have kind of a flat base, and it does form a nice looking flag. If this was to kind of create a little channel or trend down before accelerating to the upside, that's known as a bullish pennant, which is similar to continuation pattern as well, just a slight difference in how the consolidation area looks. So one particular nuance that I do want to go into on this, and we can go over to this one. So you have the impulse move, and in this consolidation cluster, something to give you edge over any other bull flag that could possibly manifest is understanding how volume is operating within the flag. So you have good volume on the ascension, and then as we're consolidating, any candles opposing the direction of the trade, ideally you do want to see them on slightly less volume, so that way as it starts to break, manifest, we get this consolidation, we start getting this breakout, we notice volume starting to flood in a little bit more, and then we finally get this confirmation over here and nice volume really coming in to give us that extension and that acceleration through the move. So that is, I think, a very integral part of a bull flag pattern to kind of assist in the overall risk reward of playing this, is understanding how the underlying price action as well as the overarching hypothesis for why you're even participating in this particular name on this day in this direction. So you don't necessarily just want to go and impose the bull flag pattern on the markets. You want to have a larger term hypothesis that then you're looking to utilize this pattern to give yourself the best risk reward in intraday action to give yourself a nice trade. So thank you folks so much, and we'll be covering many more patterns in the future.